In this video, we are going to learn about asexual reproduction and their types. Reproduction by a single parent without the involvement of gamete formation is asexual reproduction, and the offspring produced are genetically identical. So what is asexual reproduction? Reproduction by a single parent without involvement of gamete, and the offspring or young ones produced are genetically identical. Four types of asexual reproduction. They are fission, budding, fragmentation and regeneration. What are the four types? Fission, budding, fragmentation and regeneration. First, we are going to learn about the fission. Fission is the division of the parent body into two or more identical daughter individuals. That is, the parent body have the capacity to divide it into two or more identical daughter individuals. If they are two, it is the binary fission. If more than two, it is the multiple fission. So what is fission? It is the division of the parent body into two or more identical daughter individuals. Example, amoeba. Second type of asexual reproduction is the budding. What is the second type of asexual reproduction? Budding. In budding, the parent body produces one or more buds and each bud grows into a young one. The buds separate from the parent body to lead a normal life. So in budding, what is the specialty of budding? Small buds develop in the parent body, and once they grow mature, it will get separated or detached from the parent body, and the buds have the capacity to develop into a new individual. So what is budding? The parent body produces one or more buds and each bud grows into a young one. The buds separate from the parent to lead a normal life. Example, hydra. The third type of asexual reproduction is the fragmentation. In fragmentation, the parent body breaks into fragments or pieces, and each of the fragment has the potential to develop into a new individual. So what is fragmentation? The parent body breaks into different pieces or fragments. Each pieces or fragments have the capacity to develop into a new individual. Okay, so example for fragmentation is planaria. The fourth type of asexual reproduction is the regeneration. So you know what is regeneration? Something is generated in the body and it is lost, and the particular organism have the capacity to regenerate it, have the capacity to generate it again. Okay, so regeneration is a regrowth in the injured region. What is regeneration? Regeneration is regrowth in the injured region. Say for example, starfish and tail of wall lizard. So in common, everyone know the tail of wall lizard. If it is broken, the particular lizard have the capacity to regenerate its tail. Okay, so what is regeneration? It is the regrowth in the injured region. Example, starfish, tail of wall lizard. Okay, so asexual reproduction, four types. What are they? Fission, budding, fragmentation and regeneration. Four types. What are they? Fission, budding, fragmentation and regeneration. In fission, the parent body divided into two or more halves. Example, amoeba. In budding, in the parent body, a small bud is developed. It will grow, mature, detached from the parent body, and it have the capacity to develop into a new individual. Fragmentation, the parent body divided into different fragments or pieces. They will breaks into two or more fragments, and each fragments have the capacity to develop into a new individuals. Okay, example, planaria. Fourth type is the regeneration. The lost or injured part have the capacity to regenerate. Example, starfish.